guys, what's up? Hey, Mofos, back in the slime out of just really simple two things. So, guys, but we'll be using Crest Complete Extra Whitening Scape with Sugar Shield, toothpaste, a mixing bowl, something to mix with, a top to just cover, and then some salt. So salt and this, and then mixing stuff in the thing to put it in. But anyway, we're testing this out, so and first we're gonna put some toothpaste in. It's like greenish, holy green color. Whoa, it also smells great. Ooh, but to mix that up, get a little bit less thick. Take the thick out of it. Break it up. And then let's toss it up and let's take teeny bit. Sorry, use my trash. And then I got some salt, if you can see. It's right there. So it's going. It's coming out to be more slimy than regular. The main consistency, I think, is just the toothpaste. That's whoa, just add a ton of salt. Oh. Let's try to get this out. Whoa. Really weird. Really weird consistency. It sticks to our hands though. Cool. Cool. It's really cool. But now just gonna freeze it. See what happens after I freeze it. So see you guys later. So guys, actually before, see how it's green? It like took away. I'm gonna make it more green by adding some more green dye. So I'll see when it does green dye is going in. I'm actually gonna put a lot because I actually kind of want some dark slime. So I'm actually gonna put a lot. And if this works, I'm gonna make a whole big batch of it. Probably, maybe. It's not promised, but I'll make more of it. So, yeah, guys. If it works, which so far it has. consistency all up. So guys, here we've mixed it all up. Mix it in really good. It's got some like gator green now. Look, it's really dark. So guys, actually drip some in there, but I'm just gonna do it. I'm only gonna shake that bit up a teeny bit. It's like, now it looks like that. Now I'm gonna put the top on. And then, so remember, smell better. This is edible. But it tastes bad. So, I'm gonna go put this in the freezer and see. So guys, what's up? It's day 2. Back with the updates. And now it's basically slime. So I feel slime, so yeah. Remember, thanks for watching. I can't play now because I just don't have the time. We gotta go 5-hour drive. But anyway, yeah. So subscribe if you're new.